Crypto prices are looking very good as Bitcoin continues to test new all-time highs, hitting about $118,800. It is now at about $117,800 and looking very strong today, continuing to throw green lines on the screen, and Shiba Inu coin and Dogecoin are doing the same. Now, we're going to talk a little bit about the overall market in this video, but we're going to be focusing on Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin, which are currently rocketing higher as the cryptocurrency market is finally booming. Let's talk about it. If it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay. Now, as you can see, Dogecoin and Shiba Inu coin are doing very well today, exploding during a crypto market boom. And as a matter of fact, you can come out here, you can see that Bitcoin is beautifully moving higher after testing that all-time high, and on the triple top, breaking resistance and running. This is exactly what we expected, and to be honest with you, we might run into resistance around that 120,000, but I'm looking for $150,000 to $200,000 Bitcoin this bull market cycle. So we still have a long way to go if those numbers are what we're gonna hit. Now, with that, you can see the last 4 days have been extremely strong, and we are not pulling back, which is a very good sign. The traders are continuing to buy, and with that, sentiment is rising. You can see here the cryptocurrency fear and greed index is currently at a level of 69 greed, not extreme greed, just greed at the moment, which means people are finally starting to buy again. Guys, we were actually in a fearful situation just a couple of weeks ago as Bitcoin was coming back down and testing this $98,000, $100,000 level, and as we bounce off of it, we are finally getting those buys to pour back in. Now, with that, Shiba Inu coin is up as well. It says the meme coin mania is back, and it's hitting new highs after Bitcoin reached an all-time high around 118,000, which has led meme coins to show signs of growth as per Coin Central report. Which meme coins are leading the surge? Dogecoin has increased 18%, Shiba Inu coin has risen 15%, and Pepe jumped 30% as per the weekly charts, which have driven the total market cap of meme coins to hit $66 billion. How are meme coins performing this week? Well, as of July 10th, Dogecoin had increased 5.5%, which boosted its market cap to $28.7 billion. Shiba Inu coin surged 4.8%, which led a market cap of $7.7 billion, as reported by The Street. Now, it does go on to say that the meme coin sector is full-on rally mode right now, and we could be getting ready to smash new all-time highs. If you come out to CoinMarketCap, it paints a very similar picture. Level of 69 greed. Now, this part is interesting. Altcoin season was at a level of 30 yesterday and 26 today. So we're seeing Bitcoin outperform some of the other altcoins out there as investors remain a little bit leery of whether or not they should be, full-on risk mode and so on. Here's the good news, guys. We still don't have lower interest rates. We still haven't broken out of these altcoins. We're still not even in altcoin season yet. Right? We still have ETFs for Solana, XRP, and so on the horizon. There are so many positive catalysts that could drive altcoins and meme coins so much higher than they currently are, which is exactly why I continue to buy. Yes, the price action is good right now. Yes, this level of 69 greed indicates that people are finally starting to buy once again. But as you can see, we could take so much higher into extreme greed. Altcoin season hasn't started, and meme coins, although meme coins are doing very well, meme coins are still nowhere near the all-time highs that they were hitting just a couple of months ago at the end of 2024. So looking at that, the news is positive, and it's positive that it can go so much higher. So one of the places that I continue to accumulate is the KSX exchange. You guys got a link for it down in the description. You're probably not going to find a better exchange in the United States. These guys have one of the best selections of cryptocurrency that I have ever seen before, so make sure to check that out. And some of the best fees. Bitcoin, you guys can trade on up to 125x leverage with 0.01% taker fees. Tokens like Shiba Inu coin you can trade on 75x leverage with 0% futures fees. I believe it's for all meme coins, 0% futures fees. So make sure to check that out if you want. And I'm also loading up on tokens like Token 6900. I bought Token 6900 on 2 separate occasions. They've currently raised $390,000 and they have a hard cap of just $5 million. So this is going to be a tiny little token that it could explode higher, especially if meme coins like SPX 6900, which has been doing phenomenal lately, rising 26% this week to $1.5 billion market cap and continuing to show green as it's testing all-time highs. Token 6900 could literally 300x to get to those levels there. It doesn't even have to get close to that. You're making life-changing money. It's very easy to buy. You're going to click that link in the description below. Buy with crypto, buy with card. Connect your wallet. I scan that QR code with the best wallet or trust wallet on my phone. And then, of course, type in how much you want. And those tokens are yours on launch day. This is a true meme coin, right? No utility associated with this. Just taking advantage of all of the hype, all of the excitement, and all of the speculative gains in the cryptocurrency market. Let me know what you guys do with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.